So when choosing a tool, what do you think is the best, cordless or air?
Right, good question. Really depends on your circumstances. Just to show you, there is a cordless gas operated, this one is a finish nailer. The same finish nailer, but this is air operated. Really, horses for courses. If you're in a workshop, compressed air, it's faster, it's cheaper in the long run because you're not buying the gas, but there again, you may be on site, no power, working on site, doing second fix joinery, the gas tool comes out your toolbox and you can use it straight away. So really depending on the circumstances. Hi, hopefully you've enjoyed watching the videos, you've found it informative, and of course if you want to see more of these,
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
and also on the page you can follow the link and go to our homepage at mytoolkit.co.uk, and we'll see you again soon. Take care.